What's up, all you Kevins here at SEMA 24, and I got a new product again to show you guys. We're at Procharger booth. Philip's got this, and we're going to talk about their new accessory drive and setup that they offer new for small block Ford. So Philip, how's it going, man?
It's great. How are you doing today?
Good. So tell us about this new product.
This is our brand new small block Ford accessory drive system. So you can run the entire accessory drive system with or without the supercharger to start. Allows you to run AC, power steering, alternator, and then add the supercharger also later or right out of the gate if you want to. This will work with standard 302 or 351 8295 deck with all the standard accessories that you could need from it. We position everything to make easy access for the air conditioning coming over to the passenger side, power steering using a small compact power steering pump, or you can run it as with manual steering and just have the idler pulley system there. You can start off with the supercharger or without it. If you want to add it on later, you can run the stock accessories now, and then when you're ready for that boost power to come on, you can put anywhere from our P1 blower on here all the way up to an F1X blower.
Which one is shown here?
This is our F1A94, so this supercharger would be compatible up to about 1,300 horsepower on a small block Ford.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. All right, so what's this kit run with the ability? So I guess give us the price on the accessory drive kit, and then let's just say exactly the way it is right now with this setup.
So the base just accessory drive kit to run just accessories to start off with is going to start about $2,400.
Okay.
And then depending on what supercharger, intercooler options that you want to add on to it, you could get into a complete supercharged kit with intercool and everything, starting off around that $6,000 range, up to a big high horsepower capable option like this gets up into about the $8,000-9,000 range, depending on all the options that you want to go with.
Perfect, dude. That's awesome. So this is a new product you guys just basically unveiling this year.
Brand new for SEMA 2024.
Very cool. I like it, man. I appreciate when people continue to invest in the Foxbody marketplace.
Yes.
Our whole community does, so thank you very much for doing that.
Yeah.
It looks great, guys. I will say this finish is the only one I'm assuming you're offering it in right now.
You can get it in satin, black, or polished finish.
Satin or polished. Okay, very nice. All right, so same prices basically, or
it's
very different?
It's going to
Small
fluctuate
difference.
slightly with the
small
different finishes.
difference. That's fine.
Yes.
No worries. Dude, this is really awesome. I really like it. Great setup, great display. Got an awesome new S650 behind us. Procharger, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Absolutely.